Good morning guys, so I'm starting a vlog today. Gusto ko lang i-document ang akon nga ginobra adlaw para may ilang taon ako sa end of the year. Muna ni siya akong nga journal kay wala mo ko sulat. So ma-vlog na lang ko, at least may remembrance ko, and I have videos. I love taking videos. So might as well just do videos instead of magsulat-sulat pa. So today I'm dashing. I quit my serving job last December to focus on dashing because for some reason mas dako ang kakakita ko sa pag-dash or pag-Uber Eats. Past few months last year, medyo jutay ang tourist compared to the other year. So sa ambal ko, why not ma-dash na lang ko anay? And then I'm doing banquet on the side pero it's not really the regular. And also I'm trying to finish my certification as a data analyst. So I'm taking that course na I bought like 2 years ago, and I'm finally doing it this month. Hopefully matapos siya in 2-3 weeks, and then maybe I can join a boot camp and then hopefully get a job on that field because I really wanted to do like a tech job. So yeah, I'm just gonna take videos all throughout the day, every day, and then upload it on my YouTube channel or Instagram or TikTok or Diinman. Whoa! So, ang muna nga bukid, kung mag-ulan, namuna siyang may mga falls, bilang gagakalunagdag na tubig lang. So pretty kung gaulan. Kita nyo na, ang mga ridge na da, if gaulan, gadagdag ang tubig na mga falls. So pretty. So kapulik na ta. Allergy ko. Ano ta dyan ay, ma-wash siya sa ilong. So natulugan ko after ko kaon kag nagluto ko arroz caldo. Tulugan ko dason. Kagalain ako matiyag. So I'm going to the gym right now. Piliton tabis kan 1 hour lang ang workout. Perminin ako di ka masakit daw kada bulan do ga masakit ko. Okay, so we're doing some leg workouts day to day. My least favorite day in the week. Pero itry ta. Kita nyo na ang meme nga si SpongeBob na ginapakita ihitiil na daw na konti. That's my gym. Okay, we're done. Not a very good workout, but at least we went. And now we're heading home. Puli na ta. Manyapon ka magtuon. Let's go. So I'm in my bed already. Then di agad kaya magtuon subong. Buwas na lang guro kay galain gid ako matchat. Good night guys.